Hey everyone, it's me, Andrea Panzica, aka Miss Andrea. I'm a teaching artist with KidSmart, and I'm back with another Art Apart video. Like last week, I have a special guest. His name is Ivan Brunetti. He's the author of this book, Cartooning, Philosophy and Practice. So for this, you will need a pencil and 8 index cards. If you don't have index cards, no problem at all. You can take a piece of computer paper and, like we did last week, fold it once, fold it twice. You'll have 4 sections. You can kind of outline them to frame our panels, and just do this with another piece of paper too. So you have a total of 8 panels. All right, let's take a look at what Ivan has to say. Take it away, Ivan.
We'll create a wordless story. In your sketchbook or notebook, draw a character built out of simple shapes, circles, triangles, rectangles, what have you. Minimal features and rudimentary limbs are okay, as is a basic pattern on his or her clothing. Roughly sketch the character in a few poses. Then sketch a location, some place, a setting for your character. Now draw an object, item, thing, or prop, whatever comes to mind. Finally, think of a verb, some type of action for your subject. Using 4 index cards of equal size, draw a 4-panel strip of your character without using words. Draw the character in the location you chose, performing an action. If I may make a suggestion, try orienting your index card horizontally instead of vertically. The wide format more closely approximates our eye's field of view, and it correlates with the compositional space of the stage, the film screen, and the computer screen. Go back to the beginning of the sequence and draw 2 more panels to make the motivation behind the character's action clearer. Then, go to the end of the sequence and draw 2 more panels to show some consequence of the action depicted. You should end up with a simple but comprehensible narrative. Stack up the 8 panels in 4 rows, and there you have it. You have created a simple page of comics. This classroom in a book provides aspiring.
So that is our activity. I thought it was pretty cool. I had a lot of fun. So my character I drew was a cat. The setting was indoors, and the object was a cat toy, and the verb, the action, was pounce. So let's take a look at my story. Here's our first panel. We have a cat in a window. Next, we have our cat coming down from the window. Our cat is licking his paw. Then our cat has noticed something on the floor over there. Let's see what happens next. Oh, we have some activity with this cat's tail and back legs. It looks like it's about to pounce. Let's take a look. Yes, that cat has pounced on that cat toy. What's going to happen next? Well, our cat is yawning. And finally, our cat is asleep. So that's my story. I thought it was really fun. Maybe next time I will ink these panels. If you don't want to wait though, go ahead and color. You can always make another story. I will also suggest when you draw with pencil to press kind of lightly, and that way you can erase a lot easier. Not just any mistakes, but also, like you can see, I drew a line for the floor, but the cat's in front of that line. So I want to erase that line so that you can see that the cat is in front of the wall. So anyway, that is our activity. I had fun. I hope you did too, and I will see you next time. Bye.